Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss exercise 40, question number 3 to 5. Here we have to convert the temperature given below to Celsius scale. The temperature, it has been given in Fahrenheit. We have to convert that temperature into Celsius scale. So let us see how to convert and what steps we have to follow. So here, now suppose 212 degree Fahrenheit it has been given to you and you have to convert that into degree Celsius. Then what are the steps that you are going to follow? So first of all, we are going to write subtract 32. Okay, subtract 32 means what? From 212 we have to subtract 32, and then we have to, what we will do? We will multiply the answer. What you will get, that you are going to multiply by 5. Okay, multiply by 5, and then that answer you will divide by 9. Now divide that by 9. So subtract 32, what we have to do? 212, which we have got the Fahrenheit, that we are going to subtract 32 from that. So what we will get after subtracting, we are going to get 180. Okay, 180. Now what we will do? We will multiply this with 5. Okay, multiply. When we multiply 180 with 5, you are going to get 900. We will get 900. Now after multiplying, the third step is divide by 9. So this 900 we will divide by 9. So when we divide 900 by 9, what do you get? 9 one time, and then this 0 over here. So that is 100. So 100 degree Celsius. So we know that 212 is what? 212 is the boiling point of water in degree Fahrenheit, and when we convert that into degrees Celsius, we get 100 degree Celsius. So that is the boiling point of water, and this is the way how we are going to convert degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. First we will subtract from the given Fahrenheit. Okay, what has been given? We will subtract 32 from that, and then what answer we will get? We are going to multiply it with 5, and then we will divide that product with 9. Then we will get the answer. Now one more example we will see. We will do with one more, and then we are going to find out. Suppose we are taking 72 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, 72 degree Fahrenheit. Then in this also what we will do? We will subtract 32 from 72. 32 from 72. What we will get? 40. Okay, we will get 40. Now multiply it with 5. Multiply this 40 with 5. We will get, multiply and see, you will get 200. Okay, when you multiply, you are going to get 200. Now this 200, what we have to do? This 200, we have to divide this 200 by 9. So divide this 200 by 9. What do you find? This is 9 2s are 18. 2, again 2, then bring the 0 down. How many times? 2 times 18 we find. Again, now we have to put point, because now this 2 is not divided. We will bring 0, and then again you will see this is 2. So this is the answer is 22.2 degree Celsius. When we convert the 72 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, we are going to get 22.2 degree Celsius. So this is how you are going to convert. You have to follow the steps. Subtract 32, multiply by 5, then divide by 9. Now the next one is convert the temperatures given below to Fahrenheit. So the temperature has been given in Celsius scale. We have to convert that temperature into Fahrenheit. Now we are going to see how to convert the Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. Now to convert degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, the steps which we have to follow is multiply by 9, okay, the number which you will get, okay, the temperature which you are going to get in degree Celsius, that you are going to multiply by 9. Then we will divide that number, that product, with 5, and then we are going to add 32 in that. So let us see how to do. So now that if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, suppose the temperature is 30 degree Celsius, then what we will do? This 30 degrees Celsius multiply, the 30 degree we are going to multiply it with 9, okay, 30 we are going to multiply it with 9. So 30 when we multiply with 9, see, 30 into 9, how much we get? 0, 27, 270, okay, we will get 270. Now divide this 270 by 5. Second step, now we are going to follow 270, what we have got the product, we are going to divide it with 5. So 25, you see 5 5s are 25. Now here 5, 20, how many times? 4 times. So that is equal to, when you divide this 270 by 5, you are going to get 54, okay, we will get 54. Now we have to add 32 in this 54. So add 32, see, add 32 in 54, what we will get? We will get 86, we will get 86. That is, when we convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, that is when 30 degree Celsius is converted into Fahrenheit, we get 86 degree Fahrenheit. And the steps which we have to follow is, first we will multiply the given number, given temperature by 5, and then divide it by 9, multiply that with 9, then divide it by 5, and then we have to add 32. So multiply by 9, then divide by 5, and then add 32 in that. You are going to get the answer. Now with one more example we will do and see whether we are getting or not. So if we take another number, okay, suppose convert this, we are taking as 85, okay, 85 degrees Celsius, 85 degrees Celsius. Now what we have to do? First, see, first step, second step, and third step we will follow. So multiply this 85 by 9. Now we are going to multiply this 85 into 9. So 5 9 5s are 45, can see over there, 4 9 8s are 72, we write, and then 765, okay, 765 is when we multiply this 85 into 9, okay, step by step we will go. First step is equal to 765, understood? Now divide this 765 by 5. Let us do that. 765, divide it by 5. So what do you see? 5 one time, 1, then 26, how many times? 2 5 times, okay, and then this is your 15. When you subtract 25 from 26, you get 50, 153, okay, we get 153 here. After dividing this 765 by 5, we get 153. Now what we have to do? Now the third step, we have to follow the third step. Just add 32 in this, okay. What we have got? The quotient that we are going to add 32. We will get 185. When we add 32 in this, we will get 185. So this will be your degree Fahrenheit. So when degree Celsius, 85 degrees Celsius, you are going to convert into degree Fahrenheit, you will get 185 degree Fahrenheit. Now question number 5. We are going to deal question number 5. In question number 5, what do you see? We see that the temperature, okay, the temperature of an object is found to be 167 degree Fahrenheit. So 165 degree Fahrenheit has been given the temperature of an object. And the temperature of an object, and what is its temperature in degrees Celsius. So you have to convert that temperature into degree Celsius. And this again, that means the step which we have done to convert degree temperature of degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, we are going to use that. So convert temperature degree Fahrenheit. So what are the steps which we are going to follow? The third question, as we have done in the third question, that subtract 32. Okay, what we will do? We will subtract 32 and then multiply it by 5. Okay, what you are going to get, you will multiply that by 5 and then divide by 9. This step you have to follow to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So this step you follow and convert 167 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. You are going to get the answer. That means this 167, from this we will subtract 32. Okay, and then what we are going to get? We will get 135. Then multiply this 135 by 5. So 135 we are going to multiply by 5. What we get? 5, 7 and 6. Okay, 675 we will get. Now what we have to do? Divide this 675 by 9. Third step. Follow the third step. So what you will see, that when you divide this 675 by 9, what are you going to get? 9 7s are 63. Now 4 over here. Then bring this 5 down. Okay, bring this 5 down. So what is that? 45. How many times? 5 times. So this you will get as 75. So 75 you have to convert this degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So 167 degree Fahrenheit, when we are going to convert into degree Celsius, okay, into degree Celsius, you are going to get 75 degree Celsius. So do it. You will get all the answers. Thank you.